So which data do I have to collect to figure out what my performance is and how I can improve it? Create a data model, designing. How is all data related? Construct metadata repository. Don't get upset with the term metadata. It's nothing big. IT people like to use some terms which nobody understands to impress. Okay? Metadata really means data about data. That is metadata. That means I'm saying my loan customer has loan customer ID, loan customer has loan name, loan customer name, that person has address, that person has credit rating and things like that, which is telling me about that data, about the customer. That is metadata. Just like meta language, what I'm speaking now has certain rules, right? Otherwise, I won't be able to communicate with you. You won't understand what I'm saying, and so that is what? It has certain rules of how the words are put together, how the sentence structure is, where is the noun, where is the verb, where is the adjective, and all of that. So that is what? Meta language, which is language about language. That has to be described in language too again. So that's meta language. The same thing is with metadata, data about data, and that is where we talk about DDL, data definition language for designing, data manipulation language for developing, create basic queries and reports, not reports necessarily on paper, now it could be on the screen, so that the developing, then prepare storyboards, which we will be doing throughout the case study here, storyboards for your performance dashboard, and now develop, implement and using performance dashboard. That is something which we are going to present it. Okay, so these are the various steps. So what I'm going to show you now will be covered in this is 1A. It will be covered in 1B, B as in boy, and 1C, C as in chair. 1B and 1C. 1B, I'm using Actuate software, BERT 360. That is an open source software which you can download. I will give you the URL for that. So you can download it, doesn't cost you anything. And then if you are interested further, then of course you have to speak with the vendor, which is Actuate. But you can try it out, BERT 360, BIRT 360. So I'll show you the results of that. And in the case studies 1B, I have the whole set of screenshots of how we went from beginning to end to answer these 3 queries. Don't lose track. What are we doing? We are trying to answer these 3 queries, and those 3 queries will be answered with the screenshots from beginning to end, starting with the raw data all the way to the end. And then the other case study is the other software is used from Spago BI, SPAGO-BI, which is an Italian company. I somehow got attracted to it because I studied also in Europe, besides studying in India. I studied in Heidelberg in Germany almost 5 years, and I went to many different universities to find out what they are doing. And one of the universities was University of Padua in Italy, and that is one of the oldest universities in the world, I think, maybe, I don't know, at least the world at that time, what people thought was the world. So it's one of the oldest universities. I think it is from 1700 something, or maybe even 1600. And this company's origins are in that university, students who came from that University of Padua. So I thought it was neat to get some software from the open source there. So let's take a look. This is bertondemand.com. So you could download that based on that. And here, these are the results which I'm showing you, the performance dashboards. So completed loan app dashboard. So if you see here, you have the time factor here. You see the months. Then you see the outstanding loans by state, outstanding loans by loan officer, office, that means loan center, and outstanding loans by product. Whether those were for mortgage, for buying automobile, new automobile, old automobile, and so on. So this is one performance dashboard. We are giving you multiple options of this. Click to change dashboard context to quarter or month. When you saw it for the year, this is for the quarters, this is for the month, so you can click on whichever quarter or month you want to see. Because maybe there is a dip in certain month, or there is a dip in certain quarter. If there is a dip in certain quarter, then you want to see, okay, which month got us into dip? Okay, then outstanding loans by state. Maybe I'm interested in this one as well as in this one. Why? What happened? Are you talking about state of Nevada? Are you talking about state of Florida? Are you talking about state of Arizona? Then you have covered 95% of the market where the real estate bubble blew. Okay, so this is one performance dashboard. This is another one where dashboard filtered to quarter 4. So now you are going down. Okay, drilling down to the quarter 4. Then click any chart to drill to next level, which is outstanding loans by loan office. I may want to know whether some loan officer is making some loans to all the friends and relatives. Okay. Then summary for loan center manager. This is the loan center manager. Okay. So this was for the Actuate BERT 360. Now this is Spago BI, spagoworld.org, eng.it, IT for Italy. So now take a look at those dashboards. Now this is, of course, what else? We are looking at the loans given in the United States of America. Okay, so these are the various states. So that's what we are looking at. So all this data which I was talking to you about, it's for the USA. Okay. Now with that, we came up with saying, okay, loan amount by product. Now this is here with the diagram here with the color. Okay, and it's all described what these different colors mean. Okay, so this is loan amount by product. This is loan amount by center, the total. Then we go into, we have bigger problem in Arizona. Let's see now here. This is where I have a bigger problem. So now I want to click on Arizona. Okay, so I go to Arizona. Okay. Then I want to drag and drop those. I could do that, and there are various ways of doing it. Okay, for dragging and dropping whichever parts I want. Because a performance dashboard has to be interactive. Okay, only then it's going to be successful. Because if they are just helpless bystanders, it's not going to work. Okay, so with that then, let's see. So how do you reach me? You can reach me on shaku@athre.com, and if you want to take a look at other goodies, you can go to this website here, this link, and you will have a whole bunch of resources you can download from. Okay, so and the references for this, some of the ones which I have used here, it's one of my books here. I have used it, so I'm not trying to sell it. It has already sold 250,000 copies. Okay, so this is the book on database design, and this is the other one which I co-authored with on the business intelligence. Okay, and then BERT on Demand and spagoworld.org. So these are the areas which we will be covering in the 1B, 1C, as well as in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 12 more units to go. No, 11 units to go. Okay, this is only an intro session for you. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed the whole session, and I hope you have learned something. And if you have any things which you liked about this unit, write to me, shaku@athare.com. If you did not like something about, I'm also very much interested in hearing from you. Write to me to shaku@athare.com. I always respond to every single email unless it is porno. Thank you very much. I appreciate your time. Thank you.